Hi, my name is Zzone Kong, and this renovation actually started off as a master ensuite renovation and ended up being a lot more. I actually called a few different contractors for estimates, and Marco was actually the best. We hit it off right away. I told him what I wanted and what I was looking for. My kitchen before the renovation was very chopped up. It was that typical 90s kitchen with the brown colors and the ceramic tiles. And the front room actually had the parquet flooring. They took the 2 walls down, they took the flooring all out. How it opened up was amazing. Even before they even did anything else, the way it looked was amazing. Now it's clean, it's open, everything is up to date, it looks great. The master ensuite was getting tired, and we actually stopped using the shower because it was not usable anymore. What was the point of having a master ensuite if you can't use it? So I had Marco come in. We actually worked together to do the design. We would bounce ideas off each other, and I would say, okay, well, I want a floating vanity. I could picture it in my mind what I wanted, and he would send it to me. I'd be like, yep, that's exactly what I was talking about. And he would totally listen to me, and he would listen to my ideas. And sometimes he'd be like, Suzanne, I don't know if that'll quite work, right? Because obviously he's seen it every day. The master ensuite is a lot better than I thought it was gonna be, thanks to Marco. Marco was amazing to work with. Marco is the type of guy where he's a perfectionist. You have to see him work. It is crazy to watch him put a plan together. His crew is amazing. They left everything clean. They were always polite. They always made sure that everything looked good, and that any concern that I had, that I brought any concerns to them, they went above and beyond to make sure that that concern was addressed and that everything was fixed, and I was happy, and I was more than happy with everything they did. I highly recommend them. They're great. Their professionalism and the way they left my house every day and how they were with my dogs was amazing. They were truly a part of the family, and definitely the dogs do miss Marco and the crew.